Hey, it's Hailey Bieber, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my skin with the new bareMinerals Original Liquid Mineral Foundation. It's super, super clean. There's only 19 ingredients in it, which is half of what a normal foundation would be. It's not too thick, it's super lightweight, and you can just keep adding on. It also has SPF 20, which is really important. For it to be already in your foundation is a really amazing bonus. It really blurs the imperfections on the skin. It's starting to cast this really nice, glowy, dewy, healthy look on my skin. This actually helps to calm skin redness over time and shrink your pores over time. You're also gonna get this flawless, amazing look when you use it. Boom, done. For me, I'm a big believer that less is more when it comes to healthy looking skin, so I think that this foundation is absolutely perfect for that. I'm just excited for you guys to try it. bareMinerals, the power of good.